In order to submit a mileage-only claim when you live in the commuting distance, we'll first start by clicking Create New Document and selecting Local Voucher. Make sure that your profile is correct and updated, and hit Continue. Please note that you can only claim once the travel has been completed. In this example, I'll be using the voucher date of the 14th of October. You will not be adding that you are attending a conference or event or anything in the reference field. We'll just click Continue. In the expenses, we're going to go up to Add, and in the drop-down, we will select Mileage, Expenses, Private Auto, Local Area. If you traveled earlier than the date that you are selecting, you'll change the expense date to the date that you initially traveled. In this example, I will use the 12th of October. In the purpose, I'm going to put commuting local mileage. In the start location, I will select my residence, and in the end location, I will select duty station. For these options here, I will select commuting cost and enter 0. It is 75 miles, according to my odometer, from my house to the base, so I will enter 75 miles. I'm going to select Create a Separate Expense for round trip and hit Add. You will see that it has automatically added a second for the return trip. And for this example, I'm going to change the second one to show that I traveled home on the 14th of October. It shows that I went from my duty station back to my home of residence. I will select Update and Continue. In the accounting screen, we will select the appropriate line of accounting based on the type of duty that you did. We'll select Add LOA and select from the top option. In this example, we're going to say that it was for annual tour, so I will select the annual tour enlisted because I am enlisted. If you are in ADOS or any other status, select the appropriate account for that. Now that I have a line of accounting, I'm going to go to the pre-audit screen. The pre-audit screen shows that there are no audits or advisories, so we have nothing to add. So we'll hit Continue. This will be submitted to the default routing list for your unit. So you'll select Agree to Sign and Submit Completed Document. It'll ask you to confirm that everything is correct, and you'll confirm and continue. Congratulations, you've now completed submitting your mileage-only claim for your commuting distance. Have a great day.